Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kabugo Peter. Wherever you're watching from, wherever you're watching from, I'm glad that you're watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you know, here we always learn Luganda, and in this video I'm here to teach you how to read Luganda words, the easiest way of reading Luganda. Don't forget, we are sponsored by Katani Home and Interiors UG. They are located at Namlanda and Tebe Road. You can reach them out and see how they deal with things, and you make your house a beautiful one. If you're yearning to read Luganda, to learn how to read Luganda and write it, don't worry, because writing and reading Luganda, it is very similar to English. If you know how to read English or to write English, the difference almost is the similarity. Like we saw in the last videos, that in Luganda we only have two letters that does not exist. Those are letter X and Q. So only those letters, if you are dealing with Luganda, should get out of your minds. So we don't have them, and I told you we have only nga, and there is two consonants we combine to get to one letter. Those are ny. We call it nya. Now today let's look at how Luganda is readable, how easy Luganda is readable, and how can we write Luganda easily. Like in English, words in Luganda also are formed from syllables, or what you can call a nyingo. In every word you see in Luganda, we have what we call syllables, a nyingo, which we join to make different words. Like you're going to see in today's video, how to join different syllables to make a word. As I told you, and you have to be remembering this, a consonant does not have any sound when it is not combined with a vowel. In Luganda, a consonant can't get a sound when it is alone. You can't get B and C and you get a sound in Luganda. No, you only need to get those consonants and combine them with vowels, because we know in Luganda, as I told you earlier, we can't get any sound from consonants. Only you need to get the vowels, which I told you are a, y, o, u. They are 5, like in English. So whenever you need to get a syllable or a word, you need to combine consonants and vowels. We have what we call basic syllables. Basic syllables. To break it down for you, when we are reading Luganda or writing Luganda, we say a vowel plus a consonant, or we say a consonant plus a vowel. For example, B and A. One is a consonant and one is a vowel. The sound is ba. Now, I'm going to be using Luganda. Ba and a. But and in Luganda we sound it ne. N-E, ne. Ba, ne, a. That is ba. Ba, ne, a. That is ba. Okay, let's go. Let's get these consonants. Remember, I told you consonants. We have B, C, D, G, F, like that. So now what you're going to do, you're going to write those consonants. 5 of them. B, 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 B. C, 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 C. D, 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 D. 5 of them. Now, giving them spaces. So, what you do, you say ba and write A. Ba and a. Ba ne a. Ba ne A. Ba ne yi. Ba ne o. Ba ne wu. Now, ba ne a is ba. Ba ne e is be. Ba ne yi is bi. Ba ne o is bo. Ba ne wu is bu. Now, if you want to write the word, if you get bane a and then you get bane yi, and you combine them, those 4 letters, 2 consonants and 2 vowels, you get the word which is called babi. They are bad, babi. If you get mane a and you get tane a, that is T and A, tane a, mane a and tane a, you combine them without giving them space, you get the word which is called mata in English, which is milk. You get the logic. You get consonant plus vowels and you make words. You get what I'm saying? There is Z and I, zane yi, z, zane o, zo. So you get a consonant, you put a vowel next to it, you get a sound. That's how easy it is, and that's how Luganda works. You get the whole logic. So if you have any question, you can put in the comment below. I can help you out by either making a video or replying you in the comment section below. So now, after understanding how we combine syllables, on how we combine consonants and vowels to make syllables, you can easily read Luganda words even if you don't understand their meaning. Because according to what I've given you in this video, now it is easy for you to read words like what? Mu, maneu, mu, faneu, that is fu, fu. The word is mufu, and that is a dead body. Mufu. He's dead. He's dead. Mufu. L and A, B and A, lane a, bane a. When you combine them, it is laba. C. Laba. C. S-double-E. C. It is laba. So, you first get consonants plus vowels. You combine 2 each. Let's say laba. L-A, those 2, 1 consonant and 1 vowel to make a syllable. That is 1 syllable. So now, the word laba contains 2 syllables to make 1 word. You get the whole logic. You first get vowels and consonants. You combine each separately, and then you get them together to make a single word. So, briefly, to get a word, you need to combine syllables. At first, you need to get letters, 1 from vowels and 1 from consonants. And then after combining these 2 vowels and consonants together, you make a syllable. And you get 2 syllables. And you can get more than 2 syllables, as we will see in the coming videos. And then after combining those syllables, after combining them, and then you bring them together to make a single word. To make a single word. And I can give you another example. For example, tane e, te, mane e, ma. Those are 4 letters, 2 vowels, and 2 consonants. And those are 2 syllables. And it is 1 word. Tema. Tane e, mane a. Tema. Meaning to cut. Cut. Tema. Ya ne yi, yi. Tane a, ta. 4 letters, 2 vowels and 2 consonants, 2 syllables, 1 word, which is yita. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. This is where we learn Luganda. Let me hope this video is useful and you can learn and you can even get information from here, and then you teach your friends how easily we can read and write Luganda from this video. What I emphasize, if after watching this video, please rewatch the video so that you can keep the information you have just learned. Now, as I told you earlier, We are proudly sponsored by Katani Home and Interiors UG, located at Namland. As you can see, the scrolling down there. And if you have any question, you can contact me and we talk, and we can inbox and help you out. My name is Kabgopita. That is for today. Ciao, ciao.